Hello, today we are going to be making the easiest flapping bird you have ever seen in your life. 4 steps, flapping bird, much easier than the original, designed by me. And we will be going through this very slowly, and it is very simple. You can make this out of any size sheet of paper, but for this I'll be explaining out of this size, and I'll show the other sizes in other videos. So let's first start by having it landscape and having this corner fold down here and cornering down the raw edge, making this exact corner. Make sure to crease well and be as precise as you can. Once you've done this might be a bit complicating for some people, but I'm going to slow it down. This part has to do the same thing, except there is no triangle there, so you're going to have to do it without that, and you can use this as a reference point, including this point there. Step number 3, the bottom. This is just detail, but I think it makes it look better and it gives you more reference. The bottom up, it's to your desired height, to your taste, however you like. And then the top, the beak, how much you want the head size to be, the taste on what you would like to do. So, yes, not very hard. To turn it into and step 4 is to turn it and fold it in half, and you can use all these corners as reference points. Now the top might be a bit hard, but you'll try your hardest to get it down. Now, here comes how to flap it. Now, to flap this thing, you want to take it in this stance, and you want to use your left hand to hold this part right here. You can see that reference there, and you want to hold in the middle to make the best, and then you want to hold that point using your right hand just there, and you want to kind of loosen it. Once it's all loosened, you get this small gap, then you want to pinch it, and as when you pull it, the wings actually come apart. And I can show you that right now because it's folded up, and then you do that and you pull it, it flaps. The flapping bird. And you can even keep it in a flying gesture. It's just what you want to do with this. Thank you for watching. As we'll see in the next video. Bye.